song and dance on the streets of Nairobi. Opposition supporters delighted with the Supreme Court verdict, nullifying the result of last month's presidential election.
Thank you, Jesus. Yes, when injustice becomes the law, we will resist the order. And I'm telling you, God is on our side.
Opposition supporters have poured onto the streets of Nairobi, celebrating the verdict of the Supreme Court. They are shouting the praise of their leader, Raila Odinga, as well as the president of the Supreme Court, Justice Maraga. The police have restrained them here. They say they are free to celebrate as much as they can, but they will not allow them beyond this point into the precincts of the Supreme Court, about 100 meters away. The ruling is unprecedented in the history of Kenya and Africa. Kenya's Election Commission said President Uhuru Kenyatta won enough votes to secure a second term. His rival Raila Odinga said the election was rigged and challenged the result. Announcing the verdict of 4 out of 6 judges, Kenya's Chief Justice cited irregularities committed by the Electoral Commission.
A declaration is hereby issued that the presidential election held on 8th August 2017 was not conducted in accordance with the Constitution and the applicable law, rendering the declared results invalid, null, and void.
President Uhuru Kenyatta expressed his dissatisfaction with the ruling, but said he will have to live with it.
I personally disagree with the ruling that has been made today. But I respect it as much as I disagree with it. I respect it. I disagree with it because, as I have said, millions of Kenyans queued, made their choice, and 6 people have decided that they will go against the will of the people.
His main rival, Raila Odinga, celebrated the verdict, calling it a triumph for Kenyans.
Now the Supreme Court of Kenya has spoken. This decision is precedent-setting. It will reverberate across Kenya, the African continent, and the rest of the world through generations to come. Never again will impunity reign in Kenya. It is now clear that no one in Kenya is above the law.
A new vote has to be held now, within 60 days. The Supreme Court wants the Electoral Commission to organize the new election, but the opposition say they have no confidence in it and wants a new commission constituted. A detailed judgment containing the reasons for its decision is due to be issued by the Supreme Court within 21 days.